Hello G. Dear customers, our new store Khanna Book Depot Nabha is ready now. The way to our store is from Patiala Gate near bus stand. You have to cross the gate and turn right. Here is your favorite shop Khanna Book Depot Nabha, Punjab. Hello dear customers. Khanna Book Depot and Khanna Enterprises Nabha welcomes you. Let's have a look inside of our new store. Dear customer, we have cars models for kids. Different types of cars models we have. We have trolley type bags for kids. We have various types of zippers for kids. Dear customers, New Year diaries, calendar, janthris, rashifles are available now. We have fancy tumblers for kids also. We have Hot Wheels cars. We have action figures of Naruto, Harry Potter, Joker. Key rings of various designs. Fancy bags for kids. Fancy diaries for kids. We have gift items also. Memories brand diaries, to-do list, daily planner, shagun envelope, pocket diary, thank you card. We have email eye hanging also, Barbie toys for girls. We have playing cards, Naruto cards, Pokemon cards, UNO cards, flip cards. We have dream catcher of different sizes also. Dear customer, we have various types of slimes and slime activity for kids. We have clay for kids. A4 paper rim also available. We have lunch bags also. We have all sizes of canvas, painting material, and brushes for art. Sketchbook of all sizes, shading pencils, special eraser for art. Flair stationery items also available. Drawings, graph copy, scrapbook, registers, copies of all subjects. We have study table chair for kids. We have whiteboard and notice board of all sizes. Gene bags, Sky bags, H company bags, Spicy bags, Pulse brand bags, Hot Salt brand bags, Grace brand bags. Dear customers, we have all sizes of school bags. We have fancy erasers and sharpeners for kids. We have lot of variety in kids pencil box, kids tiffins or lunch box, kids water bottles. Zippers are also available of different designs. Metal zippers, inner steel zippers, metal water bottles, copper bottle. Various types of sticky notes, paper sticky notes, transparent sticky notes, Magnetic bookmark. Highlighters are also available. Pens and refills. We have Parker Pilot and more brand refills. We have clutch pencils of Flair Hauser and many more brand and their leads of all size. Markers. We have both permanent and temporary marker and their ink available. We have fountain pens in huge variety. Parker pens. Fountain series. Roller ball pens. Ball pens. Gifting pens. Cello pens. Flair pens. Hauser pens. Unimax pens. And many more brand pens. Pilot series pens. Pilot V5 V7 pens. Hauser Tech 5 Tech 7 pens. Flair 3-in-1 pen. 10 rupees pen series. Flair brand. Unimax brand. Reynolds pens. Doms pens and many more. 5 rupees pen series. Red, black, blue, green colors pens available. Now we have colored pen stock like Unimax colored gel pens, Pentonic colored ball pens, Hauser colored pens, Unimax neon pens, Flair colored pens, Flair fine writer pens, Luxor fine writer pens. Dear customers, we have outliner markers also. Dear customer, we have various types of fancy markers like pastel marker, glitter markers, metallic color markers. Both side markers also available. Dear customers, have a look on office products. Plastic scales, metal scales, pencils of all brand, erasers and sharpeners. We have file folders also, bill files, leather touch file and many more. We have tapes of all sizes, brown tapes, transparent tapes, masking tape, invisible tape, double side tapes, nano tape. We have Fevistick, Fevikwik, Fevicol and Fevigum of all sizes. Dear customer, we have cutter of all sizes. Omega stencils also available. Stamp pad of blue, red ink available. Small, medium, big. We have all sizes of tape dispenser available. All types of commercial, cash book, stock registers are available. All type of slip pads and ledgers are available. We have both ruled and non-ruled slip pads. All sizes of scissors are available. Various types of mathematical box. India stencil also available. Omega roll and draw ruler. Rubber bands of all sizes. We have paper weight, binder clips, finger damper, pins, U-clips, T-pins, rubber bands, magnifier glass of various sizes. ID card holder with thread available. We have Casio, Hauser, Flair, Delhi brand, calculators, chalk, We have both colored and white chalk available. Dusters for whiteboards. Magnetic duster from DOMS brand. For more variety, visit our store Khanna Book Depot Nabha. Let's have look on sticker variety. Dear customers, we have sparkle stickers, sticker book, journaling stickers, 3D stickers, vintage stickers, glowing stickers. We have lot of variety in stickers. Special decorative tapes, sparkle tapes. We have special sticker box for gifting purpose. Now have a look on pencil pouches for girls. We have lot of variety in pencil pouches. Mini pencil pouches, jumbo pencil pouches, pouches with calculator, 3D print pencil pouches, boys pencil pouches. Lot of designs in pencil pouches. Jumbo pencil pouches with latest designs we have, with superior quality. Mini jumbo pencil pouches. We have always latest designs in pencil pouches. Naruto print pencil pouch. Most demanded. Balloons. We have dark color balloons, pastel color, metallic color balloons. We have balloon pump also. Now have a look on most demanded stationery kits. Dear customers, we have various types of stationery kits, which is used for gifting purpose. Kit starts from 10 rupees. Brands. DOMS brand stationery kits. Hauser brand. Camlin brand. Natraj brand. Flair brand. And many more. 15 rupees kit. 20 rupees kit. Most demanded DOMS Unicorn kit price 30 rupees only. Many more variety comes in DOMS. Now have a look on Hauser stationery kits. Latest stationery kit by Hauser brand. Best for gifting purpose. We have Hauser 500 activity book kit, Hauser Fab Art kit, Hauser Art Venture kit. Now have a look on Apsara stationery kits. Apsara Marvel stationery pack. Best for gifting. Funanja kit, Ace kit, Apsara coloring kit. And many more kits are available of Apsara. Camel stationery kits are also available. Flair brand stationery kits. Pastel kit by Flair. Many stationery kits are come under Flair brand. Stationery kits for adults. Luxor writing kit. Includes dairy highlighter, marker pens, clutch pencil, Flair Write More kit, Unomax Office Mate kit. These kits are best for gifting to adults. Dear customers, for more variety visit to our store, Khanna Book Depot Nabha. Hello G. Now have a look on Faber-Castell stationery products. Very premium quality stationery products. Sketchbook with premium page. Canvas of all sizes. Acrylic colors. Oil colors. Fabric colors. Posters colors. Faber-Castell watercolor cakes. Wax carry-ons. Highlighters. Glue. Fevistick. Mathematical box. Stamp pads. Clay for kids with premium quality. Sketch colors. Connectors colors by Faber-Castell. 50 shades. 25 shades. 15. 10 shades. Stationery boxes by Faber-Castell. Best for gifting purpose. Stationery kits. Art and fun kit. Little artist kit. Write and learn kit. Fun and learn kit. Stationery starter kit. Kit start from 20 rupees. Brushes by Faber-Castell. We have round brushes, flat brushes, and mixed brushes packing. Now have a look on pencil colors variety. Special black edition pencil colors. Water pencil colors. Normal pencil colors. Brush pens. 15 shades and 30 shades brush pens with premium quality. Scissors. Special child-safe scissor. Properly made of plastic. No harmful for kids. Grip carry-ons for kindergarten kids. Come under 3 designs. Dear customers, very premium quality products by Faber-Castell now available at your favorite shop Khanna Book Depot, Nabha, Punjab. For more variety, visit our store. Dear customers, have a look on most demanded fancy suitcase type stationery kits. We have all range of kits. These kits includes colors of all types. Sketch colors, wax carry-ons, oil pastel colors, watercolors cakes, pencil colors, scales, brushes, gum, sharpener and erasers. Dear customers, we have many designs in suitcase type stationery kits. Camel stationery kit. Apsara stationery kits are also available. We have paper bags of different sizes also. Use in gifting purpose. Dear customers, now have a look on DOMS brand products. We have all range of DOMS products. DOMS wax carry-ons. DOMS grip carry-ons for kids. DOMS pencil colors. DOMS watercolors pencils. DOMS sketch colors. DOMS jumbo sketch colors. DOMS floating markers. DOMS washable colors. DOMS watercolors tubes and poster colors. Of all shades. DOMS acrylic colors. DOMS watercolors cakes of all shades. DOMS tempera colors for kids use are available of all range. 10 rupees, 20 rupees and 30 rupees. DOMS oil pastel colors. We have all range of oil pastel color available. Dear customers, DOMS also launches board games for kids like Ludo, chess, snake and ladder, dollhouse. DOMS brush pens most demanded item. Pastel brush pens, dark color brush pens. "12 shades brush pens. 24 shades brush pens. DOMS diaries. Various types of diaries launched by DOMS. Spiral diaries, hard cover diaries, soft cover diaries. DOMS sketchbooks. We have all sizes of sketchbooks. AE5 size, AE4 size, AE3 size. DOMS pencils. We have all range of DOMS pencils. Dark, super dark, extra dark. We have all types of fancy eraser and sharpeners of DOMS brand. DOMS Special Art Eraser. Very premium quality erasers for art. DOMS Shading Pencils. DOMS Professional Pigment Liners. Come under 10 shades and 5 shades. DOMS Canvas. We have all sizes of canvas available. Dear customers, we have DOMS Amaze series colors, which is very premium products. Like Artist Acrylic Colors, Artist Watercolors, Premium Posters Colors, Tube Colors. Special Canson Sheets by DOMS. Special paint brushes by DOMS. All range of DOMS brushes available. For more DOMS variety, visit our store Khanna Book Depot, Nabha, Punjab. Have a look on file folders. Dear customers, we have leather touch file folder. We have key guard also. In various sizes. You can store your keys easily. ATM card holders of various types. Checkbook holder of various types. Dear customers, have a look on toys. Metal series toys. Friction toys. Premium quality. Remote control cars for kids. Action figures of all sizes. Tracks and games. Toys for girls. Dear customers, for more variety of toys, visit our store. Kids Fancy Bags. We have various designs of kids fancy bags. Air sofa of different sizes are also available. We have lot of variety in kids fancy pens and pencils. Stamps with various designs. Scratch notebook. Magic water book. Dear customers, for more stationery products, visit our store or you can buy on our website khannastore.com. You can also visit to our social network. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram.